Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hazelnut spread. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread 2 cups of raw hazelnuts on a baking sheet and roast them for about 10 to 12 minutes until fragrant. This step is crucial for developing their deep flavor. Once cooled slightly, rub the hazelnuts in a clean kitchen towel to remove their skins, which helps achieve a smoother spread. Next, transfer your roasted and skinned hazelnuts into a powerful blender or food processor. Begin blending and be patient. This process takes about 5 to 10 minutes. The hazelnuts will first turn into a coarse flour, then a thick paste, and finally release their natural oils to become a wonderfully smooth, creamy butter. Remember to stop and scrape down the sides frequently to ensure everything blends evenly. Now it's time to add the delicious flavors. For a classic chocolate hazelnut spread, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Then sweeten it to your liking with about a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, agave, or powdered sugar. A tiny pinch of salt, around 1/4 teaspoon, is also essential as it beautifully balances and elevates all the other ingredients, bringing out the best in your spread. Finally, blend the mixture for another minute or so to ensure all the added ingredients are thoroughly incorporated and the spread is perfectly smooth. Once done, transfer your homemade hazelnut spread into a clean, airtight jar. It can be stored at room temperature for about 2 to 3 weeks, or you can refrigerate it for an even longer shelf life. Enjoy this delightful spread on toast, with fruit, or straight from the spoon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.